Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to check someone's location on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple, just some few steps that the other person should do with you so you can know his location. And what the other person should do is that he should share his location with you. And how to do that, it's very simple. I will show you all the steps. So the first thing, you must click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and click on location sharing. After that, click on share location. And you will find here like the emails of the people that you can share with them, like your location, or when the other person want to share his location with you, he can find you in this list. And if he can't find you, he can click on more options and it will show him like more emails and even WhatsApp conversations. So for example, I will share my location with myself with other email, of course. And I need to click share again and click share another time. And as you will see now, my location is shared with this email. And as you can see also, like I can send a link to myself also to share the location. And if you don't want to share your location anymore, or if the other person don't want to share his location anymore, he just need to click on stop and it will directly stop sharing the location. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.